Okay, let's start with one at a time. Which color are you going to get first? What color is that? You have red. Okay, where does the red going to go? Match the red pom-pom with the red paper. Yeah, that's where it goes. Try again. Very good. You almost did it. You just dropped it. You got it. Very good, Brighton. Okay, choose another one. What color are you going to get? Black. Okay, where does the black go? Yes! We got another black one. Okay, where does black go? Almost got it. Try again. Very good, sweetie. What color are you going to do next? We got a bunch of them. Which one are you going to choose? Red on red? Ooh, green. Where does green go? Where does the green pom-pom go? It does go there, you're right. Try and pick it up. Try again. You're doing so good, sweetie. Keep trying. You're doing really good with those tongs. You got it. Now where's black go? Well done. What about this green that's sitting here? Where does the green go? Try again. You almost got it. You almost got it. Are we trying with our hands now? Okay. You did good, bud.